Bitaw. Aron
Kesa ingon na makurian na to.
Midnight Bell now will run as the top choice. Second favorite, Sobrang Class, also selling Empire Princess and Madam Dixie.
Ato gini gitagaag pag-atiman.
Sige. So, sa lipat mo...
Gates open, they're up and racing. Madam Dixie moving up Itchy Perfect to grab the lead. Empire Princess, Sobrang Class second last, and Midnight Bell, the favorite, is in behind them by about 5 to 6 lengths to work out with Madam Dixie. Sobrang Class joining them on the outside. Empire Princess by the rail. Itchy Perfect shuffle back in fourth, then followed by Lakewood. And trailing the group is Midnight Bell. Heading towards the half-mile pole, Madam Dixie. Sobrang Class is on the outside. Empire Princess racing in third. Itchy Perfect, Lakewood, and Midnight Bell now trying to stretch out well too. Rounding at the 600 with Madam Dixie. Sobrang Class throwing a challenge. Racing in third, Itchy Perfect. Then comes Empire Princess. Midnight Bell getting closer and stronger on the outside. Now we have Sobrang Class takes up the running from the outside. Running by the rail, Madam Dixie. Midnight Bell also closing in. Sobrang Class, Madam Dixie. Midnight Bell is on the outside. Sobrang Class, Midnight Bell is on the outside. Sobrang Class and Midnight Bell. It's Sobrang Class, Midnight Bell outlasting Sobrang Class. Then comes Madam Dixie, Empire Princess, Itchy Perfect, and Lakewood.